Hello, my name is Fabian Quesada. Okay, License Agreement for definition of how to protect the intellectual property of the software. Through corporate registration before the National Directorate of Copyright. It is now considered a parent science. It is not subject matter nor it is with the legal category that can be registered through patents. Costs approximations. I cost to work with this method since it is developed. It is based on estimate the current costs of replacement or reproduction of structures and or improvements plus utility or incentive. The depreciation for any resources penis deteriorate functional the started obsolete. General conditions of the license and the negotiation. Technology licenses are concluded in the context of the relationship with a framework of which there are usually after import agreements tolerates. They are interrelated whether contained in separate documents or integrated into single comprehensive document. It is convenient to be very practical and determine if the condition of sums and other agreements affect each other day to day daily prices and available value. For example, it is agreeing to products a products. Conclusions. It is not to be born with negotiation skill, the ability to negotiate. It is not a goal. Negotiate on their skill be constantly learning, improving, and evaluation. Prepared for every negotiation approach, he said. The best negotiators are those who are prepared to negotiate and, and recognize the importance of constantly develop the negotiation skill. Reference. Thank you.